guys, ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-upload kasi sobrang busy. Tsaka na pagtanto ko na ang pagbablog ay mahirap. Mahirap kasi kapag hindi ito yung first na priority mo. Ano ko lang siya talaga, parang libangan ko lang. Nag-e-enjoy lang ako. Pero yun yung time na hindi ako busy. Tapos nung nag-start na ulit akong mag-work, na busy ulit ako. 'Di ba after nung vacation, yun, na busy ulit ako. So wala na akong time. Kasi sabi nga ng mama ko, anong iba, ang pagba-vlog is yung daily life mo. Yung daily activities mo. Ano naman ang daily activities ko? Yung daily activities ko is work and tulog lang naman. So, nahinto ako. And pagod kasi ako sa work, guys. Ang work ko is 12 hours. Tapos, pagdating ko sa house, natutulog lang ako, kumakain, natutulog. Tapos may bata ako. Syempre, ayusin ko, alagaan ko. Tapos may sakit siya. So, yun. Wala akong time. So, ang naisip ko, ang pagbablog talaga is pag may free time ka, at saka kung mahaba ang oras mo, at kung ito lang yung source of income mo, talagang kakaririn mo siya kasi kailangan mo ng income. Pero sa ano ko is parang libangan ko lang. Bonus na kung may kita ako na, pero wala naman. Well, anyway, kumita naman ako sa Facebook. So, hindi ko pa napapamigay yon. Ipapamigay pa natin yon. $8 din yon. So, yon. So, today magbablog ako. Nag-call out ako ng 2 days kasi si Vivi may sakit. So, hindi ako pumasok ng 4 days. Baka pinakamahabang off ko after ng vacation. Kasi after ng vacation, ang off ko lang is 2 days. So, sa 2 days na yon, natutulog lang ako. So ngayon may time ako. So today dinala namin yung sasakyan namin again. Na naman yung sasakyan namin, napako na naman. Kasi yung gulong namin sa X5 is makapal siya. Low, may tawag si Phil doon makapal na mababa. So ang tendency is risk siya para makahakot ng ng pako. So naka naman siya ng pako. Ako yung nagda-drive that time. So, buti na lang na itabi ko. Tapos, so, ngayon dinala namin sa tire shop. Habang hinihintay namin, may pupuntahan kami. Punta kami ng, ewan ko saan tong nilagay niya, kung saan kami pupunta. Anyway, papakita ko. So, yun. So, yun yung, kaya wala akong upload. Mahirap talaga mag-vlog, no? I like vlogging. I like camera. I'm camera shy, but I like doing it. But then if you're busy and may iba kang work, hindi mo siya magagawa talaga na full time. So sabi ko nga, kung wala kang work and ito lang yung source of income mo, talagang kakararin mo siya, diba? And yun. Yung vacation namin, hindi ko pa siya na-edit. Grabe, sobrang busy na hindi ko pa siya na-edit. So i-edit ko mamaya. Mali yung binigay sa akin drink. I don't like it. Chai tea latte. So I don't like this. So and it end up in the trash. Yung chai tea latte. Hindi kasi masarap yung niya, lasa. Nagkamali yung yung barista, or I don't know sino nagkamali, pero yun ang binigay. Sabi ko matcha tea latte. Tapos yun ang binigay. Hindi ko naman iinumin yun. Hindi naman, wala namang iinom nun. Sayang din. Tinapon na lang namin. Sabi ko naman kay Phil, okay lang naman na yun ang, yun na lang inumin ko. Kaso nga, syempre masasayang din kasi hindi ko naman siya inumin all the way. So yun. I'm telling you, you got me in wrong order. No.
His house is up there.
Doctors.
That's a.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Your vaccine history and see if there are any other immunizations you need.
Oh, useless.
That beats. What is that? Is that a podcast or what? Oh my god, yeah, it's like.
I'm hoping that she just walked away from the phone.
Oh, the phone.
I try to give them 30 seconds. 30.
So siguro, kunin ko na lang is locally farmed rainbow trout. Bili ko ng shoes, guys. Alam niyo, maganda pala tong sapatos na to. So, nagsusukat ako ng shoes. Meron ako nito sa bahay, pero no. Nanood kami ng Korean. Uncanny. What's this? Uncanny counter. Uncanny counter. So we're gonna do the mini-verse as requested by Bibi. Oops. Okay, let me. You want me to open it?
Wait, where's like the sticker? Ugh.
So, marami na nangyari na pick up na namin yung sasakyan. And then, I went to the store kasi gagawa ang pandikoko. Nanood ako ng vlog. Tapos, nainggit ako sa pandikoko kasi wala kaming makitang pandikoko dito. Ayan.
Whoa.
So, this one, you know, you put this one on. I don't know.
Bullet.
I think this one. This is the thing. And this is like a table. And then you put it like that. So that's where the design comes from. We'll see.
And I can do
This-
it. No, it's like that easy.
The bubble tea.
If it isn't,
Okay,
slide.
open it.
Oh, let's use scissors. Ooh. Oh, I'll get scissors. Ooh, one
So,
yeah.
it's a waffle.
Ooh, let's get this one. Ooh, I can already open this. This is easy. See what it is.
That's the syrup.
Again.
Yes. What's that?
One easy again.
What's that?
Whipped cream.
Oh, the whipped cream. Okay. And what's
In
that?
case you want to see.
That's the plate.
Plate.
Okay.
We use it in the kitchen.
So open the waffle first.
You mean this?
Yeah.
I'll open this. Okay.
Don't. That's the waffle right there. And then you put waffle right there. And then you put the. Ito kasi yung gagayahin. The cream on top. And wait, there's no fork. It's okay. The cream and the strawberries. Cream. Ang cute. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap naman. Ayan. Ayan mo dyan. Gusto mo gustong lagay. There. Like that. And then you put don't use your finger because that's a very sticky thing.
Fishy. Mountain Hill.
Okay, is that it?
No.
Suspect who is still barricaded in the home. They've seen him
It's
peeking
working
out
out.
from a window. They believe
This one's safe.
that he's a
Other
suspect in
one.
the shooting from last night.
This one is just on top of it because it was kicked.
Yeah, we don't have to use.
We got some extra blueberries from the last time.
Yeah, look, it's cute, right? So, see, this one has a fork. I don't know what happened to the other one. Let's put it.
I kind of need help.
Okay.
Okay, let's get that.
Very careful. They're so tiny. Can you see them?
Yeah.
We forgot. It's so cute.
Oh my god. Damn.
No. So, we have this thing, guys, yung bracelet. I know, but it's okay. So, we have this bracelet. You see that? The other one is a turtle, sea turtle, and the other one is a dolphin. So, nabili namin siya sa store. So, ito, so $20 each. Kay Bibi yung sea turtle, kay Danica yung lion. And then, kapag may app siya, na-open mo siya, tapos matatrack mo kung nasaan yung dolphin, or tsaka yung animal na to, yung sea turtle. Ang cool. Pero, don't worry naman kasi hindi siya updated talaga para iwas sa mga nag-hunt ng mga marine animals, 'di ba? So may app siya, makikita mo siya kung nasaan. Pakita ko sa inyo. May iba't iba silang mga animals. Mayroon siyang lion, elephant, giraffe. Yan, ang napili ko kasi dolphin. Tapos kay Bibi yung sea turtle. Ang cool. Cool lang siya. Tapos yung bayad is mapupunta, yung part niya mapupunta sa mga nagfa-fund. Parang tinatag nila. They're putting transmitter, right? So they can tag where are, yung kung nasan yung mga animals na to. So yun sa akin, ang name is Michael, yung spotted dolphin. Tapos yung sea turtle, ang name is Megan. Yun yung kay Bibi. What's Danica's name? Yung sa the lion. Oh, I think Danica went to... Yun, magluto ko ng pandeko ako ngayon kasi magluto ko pandeko ako kasi nakita ko dun sa vlog kanina. Gluto siya ng pandeko ko. Ang sarap. So, nag-crave ako. Tapos guys, linis ng mama ko yung yung play area nila Vivi. Yan na siya. O, diba? Malinis na. Hindi pa yan tapos. So, kumbaga nagliligpit pa lang. Yan. Ito, magulo to eh. Inayos lang ni ng mama ko. Ito yung, Ewaso Lions. Ito yung kay Danica. Ano name? Yan. So, yan. Kung meron dyan, ang cute, oh. Anyway, so, yun lang for today. Thank you for watching. And, mag-upload ako nung hindi ko pa na-upload na travel namin. Kasi, sayang naman. So, yung travel namin, may aberya kasi yun na nangyari. Hindi ko na siya na-upload kasi busy nga ako. So, anyway. Okay, bye!